Hey everybody, Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Hey, I tried to do some mowing today with our old used lawnmower, but a bracket broke off of the deck. So this thing is off. It's just got magnets holding it right there. I'm gonna try to put it back on. Then we'll do a little mowing, I hope. If not, we'll be mower shopping. All right, that might stay on. I'm not showing you that weld. That deck staying up, that's good. Still not gonna show you the weld, but I did want to show you the Loyal 23 bushel manure spreader we got. So about every 2 days we get 23 bushels of manure. I call it free fertilizer. And I'll just show you a little bit about spreading the horse manure. It's got beaters in the back. These are ground driven. One wheel drives these beaters and one wheel drives the apron that will pull it to the back towards the beaters. This is a sweet little thing. It's supposed to be pulled probably behind a four-wheeler or a side-by-side, but it said 10 horsepower and that sucker's got 17. That's what we're using right now until I get the side-by-side sitch fixed up. Okay. I just alternate with the Christmas tree rows here, so I'll be heading down these rows up and down until I run out. It usually makes 3 or 4 rows. Sometimes I go over them twice, but I don't have it chopped off full today. Gotta turn the apron on, that easy. The beater's on, that easy. Free fertilizer. Okay, pretty cool. I like that little thing. It emptied all the way out, if you can see that. Just a short video today to say hello to everybody. I appreciate everybody watching as usual, and just wanted to say hello to everybody. Y'all have a good day. Come back, see us at Nelson Ridge Farm. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.